It's -8 out. I'm going to start my car. It's been sitting for 12 hours. Let's see how this tune likes the cold weather. I had it started at -1, no problem. The other day it was -10. It didn't want to turn over. Took a couple tries, but it finally went. That's chugging. Fans off. There we go. Wow, that struggled. But it sounds good. No squeaks or anything. Yospeed door sills. See, always have these little bottles ready just in case. You never know. This car warm up for a few minutes. I know I should not be driving it. Should be parked for the winter. But I'm in the works of getting a winter beater. Or possibly drive this Honda Pilot.